Hello guys, welcome back to another class. Today we're going to learn the basic rudiments of music. So in this class we'll learn the staff or the stave. Next is bars, line notes and space notes. The clef. We have two types of clefs here, treble and bass clef, and we'll learn ledger lines. Let's start. First thing is the staff. All music is written upon or between the 5 lines called stave or staff. So you can see here there are 5 lines and 4 spaces. So the music notes are written here, and the notes that are outside the staff are denoted by ledgers. We will discuss it later. Under the staff we have bar lines. Staff are divided by measures, and these measures you can see here we have measures, so measures are divided by the bar lines. You can see here the bar lines. Okay, next here we have different types of bar lines. The first one is the double bar line. This double bar line is used to separate two sections of a music. In the music we can separate it into two sections by using this. And the next one is bold double bar line. This bold double bar line is used to indicate the conclusion of a movement or an entire composition. So in a music sheet, if you see this, that means that is the end of a music. And the next one is the dotted bar line. Here you can see the dotted bar line. This dotted bar line subdivides long measures of complex meter into shorter segments for ease of reading, usually according to natural rhythmic subdivisions. Sometimes under a measure you'll get a complex music. So these complex music are subdivided by a dotted bar line for the ease of the music. Next we are going to learn about line notes and space notes. Line notes are those notes which are given on the line of the staff, and space notes are those notes which lies between the lines. So these are the two different types of notes. Now we have here two types of clefs. One is treble clef and the other one is bass clef. Treble clef is denoted by this sign, and the bass clef is denoted by this sign. Now we'll learn about treble line notes and treble space notes. You can see here the line notes, treble line notes E, G, B, D, F. The name of these notes are E, G, B, D, and F. So how can we remember this? By using an abbreviation. You can use your own abbreviation, but here it is written every good boy does fine. So the first letter denotes the name of the notes. The first letter of each word denotes the name of the notes. So this note is E, G, B, D, F. And the treble space notes is F, A, C, E. Face. So you can remember that. The space notes on the treble staff are F, A, C, E. Face. Alright, let's go to the next one. Now bass notes. We are going to learn bass line notes G, B, D, F, A. The name of the notes that are on the line are G, B, D, F, A. And the abbreviation can be written as good boys deserve fun always. The next is spaces notes A, C, E, G. The notes denoted on the bass staff between the spaces are A, C, E, G. All cows eat grass. You can make your own phrases to remember staff notes names. The sillier they are, the more likely you are to remember. That is true. Alright, let's get back to next. So the notes represented on the music sheet can be played according to this. As you can see here, the middle C. From here, if you go higher, then the pitch goes higher. If you go lower, then the pitch becomes lower and lower. So usually in a bass clef, the lower notes are played, and in the treble clef, the higher notes are played. Now, ledger lines are used to extend the staff to pitches that fall above or below it. So sometimes the notes falls above or below a staff. So these notes are represented by a ledger line. This is an example of treble staff ledger lines and bass staff ledger lines. So you can see here, the notes above the treble staff are given here A, B, C, D, E, F, G, and the notes below the treble staff are C, B, A, G, F, E, D, C. Same for the bass staff ledger lines. You can see here, these are the different types of notes represented by ledger lines on the staff. Next, we are going to talk about note and rest charts. Here, the first sign given here is known as the whole note. Whole note represents 4 beats. So when this sign is given on a staff, that means it is a whole note, and a whole note has 4 beats. Half note, next is half note. Half note has 2 beats. Quarter note has 1 beat. Eighth note is half beat. 16th note is 1/4 beat. That means 25% of 1 beat. Okay, so now here we can see the rest also. The first sign represents rest of 4 beats. If this is given on a staff, then you have to rest for 4 beats. The second one, rest for 2 beats. Half rest. Quarter rest is for 1 beat. Eighth rest is half. You have to rest for half a beat, and so on. You can see here, half note is equal to 2 quarter notes, and 2 eighth notes equals to 1 quarter notes, and 4 16th note is equal to 1 quarter notes, and the next is 32nd note is also there, but we will discuss it in the later classes. I hope that this video is helpful. Thank you, and I'll see you all in the next video.